Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.
Hello and welcome to Coxie's Picks, and I did manage to get sent a set of rules from Guinness. So I have to start off with the cuffs on my wrist. So I can't reload, which is a bit of a shame because I've only got so much room that I can squeeze cuffs on. So at the minute we've got 9, and this is going to be a confidence run for 9 as well as my tool that I've redesigned and rejigged. So hopefully we'll be able to get something good out of this one. Right, so Echo starts a 1-minute timer.
1 minute, starting now.
Okay, so first one gone. Come on. And I accidentally reset that one, so that's a time delay. There we go. Come on. Get in the hole. 4, 5, come on, 6, 7, 8, 9, and they've all got to be on the floor. That's it, finished. So now we do go in like that. Wow, that was a lot of time left over. Better show off my tool. And what I'll do as a bonus is I'll show how I made this now.